to episode 1 of our Lowveld adventure. We left Midrand on a very rainy Monday morning, and before we could start our trip, it was essential to get an ammo crate slider installed, as we have limited storage space in the back of the bus. We booked in at our friends Wild Accessories for this last-minute installation. Wild Accessories did a great job building our canopy, but more about them in a later video. The team installed our slide in pouring rain, and soon we were on our way. Rain turned into heavy fog as we made our way to our first stop, Kaapsewip. The pass going up to Kaapsewip is a beautiful drive on clear days. We arrived to the whole town being covered by fog, but we warmed up with a coffee at the Bohemian Groove Cafe. After exploring a little, we were on our way to Hazy View to book into Sanbonani Resort, our accommodation for the duration of the trip. We knew that this trip would be a huge adventure, and the feeling of excitement was palpable.
Hi guys, first video blog. We are in Hazy View at a place called Sanbonani. We left from Midrand, Johannesburg yesterday. Weather was quite horrible, rain all the way. Went to Kaapsewip. It was it was my first time there. Very cool. The mist caught us a bit, but we were privileged enough to see the wild horses. Today we went to Pilgrim's Rest, but we thought about taking the scenic route, so we did the Cliff Crawl Pass. It's between the plantation trees, most beautiful scenery you'll see there. And tomorrow we will be heading to the Kruger for the next 2 days. What you guys, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's the Sabi River that's just down there. Got to see 3 hippos roughly around 300 meters from our accommodation, which was quite special. Yeah, let me show you guys what we are dealing with here.
So yeah, we've got a little bit of rapids just down there. We are fortunate enough, the only accommodation to have this white noise around us.
But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy.
driving the Klip Kraal and Bonnet Pass to Pilgrim's Rest. The Klip Kraal Pass is a graded gravel road, but this is forestry country, so drive with your headlights on. In heavy rain, this road can become slippery, so we do recommend having a four-wheel drive vehicle in the summer months. The Bonnet Pass is a tarred road, but with many potholes, so you'll have to have your wits about you. This road is narrow and steep, so keep an eye out for traffic on the wrong side of the road. We were disappointed to see that most of the tourist attractions in town had closed down and local vendors had taken over, but the drive there more than makes up for it.